Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a scrolling screenshot in Windows 11. First, open up your Google browser or any browser that you want. Type on Chrome extension. Go to the search bar and type Go Full Page. Click it. Now we just need to add it to our browser. Click Add. Once we added the extension, click on this icon and pin the Go Full Page extension. Once we pin it, choose the page that you want to screenshot. For example, this one. Click the camera icon and it will screenshot it for you. Now here is the full page screenshot. You just need to choose whether you want to save it as PDF or PNG. And click this one. Click allow. And now it's saved. And that's the easiest way to take a scrolling screenshot in Windows 11. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.